Class 8 Arithmetic Exercise 14 from question number 27. Figure is given here. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which the diagonal BD we have got 24 centimeter. Then this AL we have got 16.8 and CM as 13.3. So what type of triangle is it? ABD. We can find out ABD is a right angle triangle forming here 90 degree. Base we have to take BD and height as AL. Find out the value is 537.6 centimeter square. Same way here, area of triangle BCD. Again we have got what type of triangle? Right angle triangle. So half into base into height. After finding out its area, how to find out area of quadrilateral? We have to add both the triangles. After adding, you will get your answer as 960 centimeter square. Question number 28. We have got trapezium. The area of a trapezium is given as 475 centimeter square, height as 19 centimeter, and the length of the two parallel sides if one side is 4 centimeter greater than the other. This is the figure of a trapezium. This is x, then take this one as x plus 4, and height we have got as 19 centimeter. So here I have written let AB as x, DC as x plus 4. So what is the area of trapezium given? Given to us as 475 centimeter square. What is the formula for area of trapezium? Half into sum of parallel sides into height is equals to that area. Parallel sides AB plus DC, height is AP. In place of AB write x, in place of DC x plus 4, AP 19. 475, this 2 goes that side, this 19 comes down. That means multiplied one will be dividing other side, and this side if it is multiplying, other side will divide. So 2x, x plus x, that is 2x plus 4. If you solve this, you will get 50. Plus 4 was here, other side minus 4. That means the value for x I got 23. That means AB was x, that is 23. But DC was x plus 4. That means 23 plus 4 is equals to 27 centimeter square. After this, question number 29. Figure given here. ABC is a triangle in which AB we have got AB, that is 7.5 centimeter, AC 6.5 centimeter, BC 7.5 centimeter. So take it, the triangle was given with the three different sides. Take ABC, find out S, add all the three numbers, divide by 2, you will get 10.5. What to find out? Now area, formula for area is root under S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Try to find out. After finding, you will get your value as 21 centimeter square. This statement was given in your question, that the area of a trapezium should be equal to area of triangle. Formula for area of parallelogram is base into height, but area of triangle just now we found out 21. Base BC, height as DL. So given as 21. Base was given as 7. So the value for DL we will get it as 3 centimeter. Now question number 30. Again we have got a trapezium. In the field is the shape of a trapezium having parallel sides 90 centimeter and 30 centimeter. One is 90, other is 30. But the non-parallel, that is given as the fourth side, is 100 centimeter. The side that means the third meeting 90 degrees is the third one, and this one is given as 100. So easily you can find out total is 90. This is 30. Then what is the value for this one? From here till here, that is 60. Can you see? This is a right angle triangle. We have to find out perpendicular, which also means height. So finding out P, h square minus b square, 100 square minus 60 square, that is the value is 80 meter. Now easily you can find out area of a trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides into height. Just you have to put the value in place of those numbers and you will get your answer. Question number 31. One more thing is here. After finding out area as given that 1 centimeter square cost for rupees 5. So whatever values you have got it, that number you have to multiply by 5. The total cost is 24,000. Same way, question number 31. A rectangular plot is given constructing a house having the measurement of 40 and 15. 40 and 15 length and breadth we have got. Now according to the law of minimum 3 centimeter wide, this is the wide, 3 centimeter from both the sides and 2 centimeter wide space on the other side, that means back side. Find the largest area of the house that can be constructed. So here what have I written? That the length of a rectangular plot, length is 40 and breadth is 15. According to the law, this is given in your question, the minimum 3 meter wide space should be left in front and back. In front and back 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter on the other side. So leaving the space as per law, now you can find out total was 40. If you subtract 3 plus 3, that is 40 minus 6, that is 34. A breadth 15 minus 4. Why 4? To this side and to this side. 2 plus 2, 4. So what you got? The value for length as 34 and breadth as 11. And as we are knowing the area of a house, that is length into breadth, we have to multiply both the numbers. You will get your answer. Same way here. Question number 32. What we have got? A rhombus shaped sheets with a perimeter 40 centimeter. Perimeter we have got. And as we know, the perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 4 into side, which is 40. 4 if divide, the side you will get is as 10. So look here, 10, 10, 10, 10. One of the diagonal is given as 12. For example, AC if we are taking 12, half of it 6 and 6. As we know, the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. So in any triangle, you can find out, try to find out base. And if we find out, formula for that is h square minus p square. In place of h, hypotenuse we have got 10, perpendicular is given as 6. The value for base we will get it as 8. So how to find out? Diagonal of the other one, 2 we have to multiply, that is 16. And as we have studied earlier that the formula for rhombus is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Multiply both the diagonals, you will get 96 centimeter square. And as given in our question, the cost of 1 centimeter square is rupees 5. So 96 centimeter square will cost rupees 5 multiplied by 96, which is equals to rupees 480. Therefore, the cost of the painting of both side asking, both side, then we have to multiply by 2, which means rupees 960 is your correct answer. Question number 23 is slightly different. Actually, in question number 23, we have got the difference between the perimeter and the sides of the triangle are 8, 7 and 6. Sorry, 5. So we can write the difference between the sides, that is semi-perimeter, as S and sides B as whatever the numbers are given. So which means that semi-perimeter side A, that is 8, S minus B, that is 7, S minus C, that is 5. Where A, B, C are the length of the sides of the triangle ABC. If you add all the three equations, S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C, If you find, you will get 3s minus a minus b minus c. Minus abc we can take it common. Earlier as we have studied, s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. If you cross multiply here, what will you get? 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. So in place of a plus b plus c, we can easily write the value is 2s. 3s minus 2s 20, that is 3s minus 2s, that is s. Now to find out area of a triangle root under s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S just now we have found 20. S minus a we have got 8. S minus b 7. S minus c 5. Just to break it and find out your answer. Your correct answer is 20 root 14.